Welcome back to Tools Inspector. Today we're diving into 10 of the smartest woodworking tools on Amazon that every DIYer and pro carpenter will want in their workshop. From laser precision to time-saving power tools, these gadgets aren't just helpful, they're total game changers. Let's jump right in. Number 1. 14 Pcs Carpenter Pencils Set. Accuracy starts with the perfect mark. This 14-piece Carpenter Pencil set includes heavy-duty, flat octagonal pencils that never roll away while you work. It comes with a built-in sharpener and retractable pen holder, ideal for contractors who value convenience on site. The solid black graphite makes clean, visible lines even on rough lumber. A small tool that saves big time on every project. Number 2. Tired of crooked shelf holes? This 1/4-inch aluminum alloy drilling jig delivers precision every single time. With its laser-etched measurement marks and sturdy metal body, it's built to last for years of cabinet projects. Whether you're working on furniture or wall shelving, the straight-hole accuracy is flawless. One of those underrated tools that makes your projects look professionally done. Number 3. Huepar Pro Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Huepar Pro is where precision meets power. Featuring green laser technology that's 4x brighter than red beams, this tool is ideal for indoor and outdoor use. It's rechargeable, runs up to 18 hours, and includes a 360 degrees magnetic bracket for perfect alignment. Use it for tiling, framing, or wall design. This is your ultimate level-up tool. No more guesswork, just perfect lines every time. Number 4. BeaverCraft Wood Carving Knife Kit S15. For those who love detail, this wood carving kit turns raw wood into art. It includes a chip knife, detail knife, and sloyd knife, plus polishing compounds and a leather strop for sharp edges. Perfect for both beginners and pros. It even comes with free tutorials to improve your carving craft. Creativity truly begins when your tools feel like an extension of your hand. Number 5. 4-in-1 Router Milling Groove Bracket Rose Red. This stylish yet functional 4-in-1 router jig makes cutting circles and precise grooves a breeze. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it allows quick adjustments for perfect symmetry and routing depth. Ideal for custom woodworking designs like tabletops or speaker boxes. Number 6. NDE 7-in-1 Moisture Meter Scanner. Avoid costly wood warping with this smart 7-in-1 moisture meter. It detects dampness in drywall, cement, and all wood types up to 3/4 inch deep. Featuring both pin type and non-invasive sensors, it delivers reliable readings every time. Every carpenter needs this for prep work. It's precision that saves money and materials. Number 7. When it's time for finishing, this nylon wire drum brush brings out the best in your wood. It smooths, polishes, and textures furniture surfaces for that professional sheen. Designed to fit standard burnishing tools, it's a go-to for restorers and DIYers alike. Turn rough surfaces into refined beauty with every spin. Number 8. SEESII Cordless Reciprocating Saw. Meet your new powerhouse. A brushless motor saw with 3,500 revolutions per minute speed and LED lighting for visibility. It includes 8 interchangeable blades, 2 4.0 batteries, and a quick change mechanism. Whether it's wood, PVC, or metal, this saw cuts through anything with ease. Strong, portable, and built to handle every heavy-duty task. Number 9. Miter Clamps for Woodworking. Say goodbye to uneven joints. These precision miter clamps hold corners tight for perfect window casings, frames, or trims. Made of high-quality steel, they ensure stability and professional-grade accuracy. A must-have for every serious craftsman looking to build clean, aligned edges. It's the secret to flawless woodworking finishes. Number 10. 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer / Stapler. Combining 2 tools in one, this cordless nail gun and stapler redefines convenience. It's compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, fires up to 1,000 nails or staples, and features a tool-free jam release. Perfect for molding, DIY projects, and quick fixes without cords getting in your way. Pure efficiency, because in woodworking, speed meets precision. If you love building, crafting, or creating, these tools are your best allies. Which one would you add to your workshop first? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon tool finds.